love the Stanley.
Yes, my sister's forward.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. I'm so excited. Good morning, Alyssa.
Oh my gosh, I'll tell you about my situation. My eyelashes are fluttering off my eyeballs right now. I cannot get them to stay.
I've been already bad at this vlog today, but it cannot be bad because this is the last vlog with Murphy.
Literally, it's the last vlog with Murphy.
I can't. Ham. We are about to load the bus.
We're gonna load the bus. And the yappy guy is the driver.
Okay guys, so we're on the bus. We are on the way to... Why is my nose so pink?
Hoover High School is where
You'll find me. Watch as I compete today. So yeah, we are on the way. We're about to make a bunch of TikToks. I'm so excited to see my husband.
I just forgot my last ones. I'm stealing these ones.
I already have those. I want blue. Hey, We just missed the show cats. Are you kidding me? Or not the show cats, the tomcats. We just missed them, and they're definitely not going to make finals. Let's be real. They're not making finals. Hey, Murphy, do you have any words to say in the vlog?
Nope.
How was your performance?
Pretty good.
Last performance as a show cat?
No.
Are you going to cry?
It's not my last performance with the show cat.
Okay, but as a competition.
I got potentially three others.
Yeah. You're right. You're going to make finals.
Yeah.
And they're definitely not going to make finals. Let's be real. They're not making finals. We got to make finals.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, we performed, then we watched this in Villa, and now we're getting undressed. Okay, so we are now about to watch. Oh, I should have vlogged with Peyton. Whatever.
Who are we watching?
Nitro. My besties.
Big Murph! Yes, Big Murph. And we got Houston. And Big Murph. Big Blood.
There's like a piece of sweat.
And then you also
but it goes down and like it looks like I know it's like
that's why I squeaked too fun back.
I'm sad, like I'm really sad right now.
Rate your performance. What on to?
I'd say about 11, bro.
11? How do you feel about your performance? A what? An 8. Okay.
Why does that?
He looks exactly what?
This is Peyton. Okay, why is he rizzing up my YouTube channel right now? What is darkness could
Where are we sitting at?
We're about to watch Capitol. I don't know, I'm just following the leader.
Murphy, where are we sitting at?
They have like no floor seating here.
That's my only complaint.
Ain't got no seats.
Ain't got no seats. He's getting cotton candy.
Oh, yo, I'm trying to flick you in the forehead.
Oh, okay.
So what's going on, Isaac?
Isaac found a lover. This is his wife.
Oh, I don't have any faith in you.
I have faith in you. I
I'm
just
sorry.
have faith in the
No,
fact
that
that
don't
she doesn't have a girl or a boy.
Oh, no. I'll pull something that you won't even expect.
Wrong way. Turn it the other way.
Yeah, you can't vlog
That's
like
me to
that. It
Murph.
has to be sideways.
That's me to Murphy. I'll vlog however way I want to vlog.
I don't need the attitude. Are you okay?
No. That's the girl that had the soul. That's the girl in the beginning.
Num num.
Had the soul.
Nom nom.
Num num.
I think it's big.
Oh no, you're cooked.
You're
You're
cooked.
cooked.
Yeah. I was just saying, if it was like a month, then maybe. But
You're
no,
cooked.
You're cooked.
Yeah.
What is going on?
It's tough.
Yeah, what's the actual dance?
No lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
We're about to have awards.
What?
We're about to have awards.
Yeah. Am I supposed to say something? Am I supposed to say something?
Oh my god.
Yes, CTE.
I feel like I'm gonna poop my pants. I don't know why. I'm actually gonna poop my pants.
The best female soloist goes to vocal visual.
Thank God. Come on, best costumes. Come on, best costumes. Come on, best costumes.
The best costumes go to visual line. The judge's choice, they are giving that to Sissonville's Touch of Pride.
Thank you.
Capital VIP.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Nitro Showcase.
Oh no. Taylor, you or me? Taylor, you or me?
Vocal visual.
So we made finals, Capital made finals, and Nitro made finals. Sissonville did not make finals, and I want to cry. I want to cry.
So, we both made finals. Yeah.
They perform at 9:30, we perform at 10:30.
And we don't know the real schools yet.
Yeah, because we've all been told different things.
So, we don't know who won, but
I'd say it's close.
I think it's pretty close.
Okay guys, so we are just sitting here, Shawty and Dylan and Maddie and me, of course, and we are waiting to perform finals at 10:30. How do you feel about performing about 10:30?
Terrible. I don't want to do it. Can we just quit? Let's drop out.
It's too late and I'm tired.
I'm also tired.
Yeah, she doesn't even perform. Hey, we are about to perform for finals. We're getting hype. This is, Murphy just went to warm-ups for the last time and I almost cried. I have a feeling that when he gets off stage I might cry. Like I actually might cry. I know he will. I know he will. He already almost did. But I got him roses with a little card because it's his last year and he's my best friend and I love him more than anything. So if you're watching this, Murphy, I love you. Okay, so we are now in the bathroom. We just performed and it was crazy. So basically the judges told us to turn the music down and Mr. Rose did, and then we couldn't hear a single thing, so we were offbeat the whole entire show. There was no energy behind it. Hey Murphy, how are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Murphy got me a rose.
I did. She got me roses too.
We're just CW friends like that. We're just that cool.
Once we clean the room, I know we'll find it.
Ham.
We were looking. I actually don't know what's going on right now. Welcome to the show. Actually, I have no clue what's gonna come from this. I can't. I actually can't. We're gonna get last.
Second
We're gonna
runner-up,
get last.
Capital VIP.
Thank God. Actually, thank God. Thank God. I'm so scared. I'm so
The
scared.
first runner-up in the small mixed division goes to the Nitro Shotgun.
What? No. I'm gonna cry. No, look at Murphy. So I don't know where that came from. It's 12:06 and we just left Herbert Hoover and we got our medals. I actually broke my medal, but I fixed it. Like the piece, like the metal piece, like the ring thing, it like came undone. But I fixed it. Yeah. So the sliding's bad. I just got home. What time is it? 12:46 a.m. I just got home. This is our medal. Add it to the list. I'm shocked that we got 2 Grand Champs this year. Can't you see? I'm shocked because we normally don't win anything. I mean, we have won stuff, but like, we just improved so much since my first year. And before that, like, bro, this program was nothing, and now it's something. Thank you, Michael Rose. Big Mac. It's 1 a.m. and I just got all my makeup off.